Welcome back to the Hellscape Garden. Today, I just want to mention something interesting about loofah plants. One thing is, okay, right here, I'm making a keto Dolmades, and I need big leaves to be able to wrap them in. I need to cook up the beef, and I need to add a few other ingredients, like a lot of cinnamon to give it that sort of Mediterranean meat feel. But what I really is holding me back from making more is I'm running out of big leaves in the garden. I'm kind of phasing out some plants because summer's coming, and I'm a little desperate for something to wrap them in. But it turns out that loofah leaves are edible. Check that out. It's big. I can wrap that up. I've normally used nasturtium leaves, but they are kind of puny right now, if you can see. Yeah, that's not happening. And I already grabbed all the flowers to actually put into my keto Dolmades. But I've got some big leaves here. I only need like 20. And the thing is, loofah is really good at growing here in the summer. So it'll bounce right back. I'm not killing the plant. And if I am, well, I've got more seeds somewhere. And if you've ever peeled one of these babies, this is the fruit that is edible to a point. If you ever peeled one of these, there's a sponge in there, and you can literally use it for your kitchen or your bathroom or whatever. Let's just go ahead and pluck that right off. There's seeds in there. Let's see if I can get some. Oh my gosh, look at that. So I have a plan for my keto Dolmades. It's one of my go-to recipes because I could use so many ingredients from my garden. That and gumbo. Speaking of which, okra, the leaves on okra are also edible, and I oftentimes use them for Dolmades. Let's see how some of my okra is doing. I've only had a few little baby ones. Yeah, see, these are puny, just a little bit too small right now to use for edible purposes, but it's coming. I kind of put okra everywhere because it goes so well with gardening in Phoenix that it'll sprout up, and I'll show you when we get to that point. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Hellscape Gardener on YouTube. That really helps me, and you can friend me on Instagram and Facebook, so that way I can message you and say, no, go like me on YouTube. Anyhow, you get the idea, and I have an upcoming episode on nasturtiums coming up, since I have all the footage I need, and I'll see you online.